Hey traders, T Bradley 90 here. For those who do not know, Alex took on the challenge recently of seeing how much he can grow a $30,000 account in 30 trading days, and the results are in, and he made $84,000 in less than 30 trading days, which turned his $30,000 account into $113,000. Alex recently put together a free mentorship course with his mentor Bao, explaining exactly how he did this. The link is available at myinvestingclub.co/Alex. There's limited seating every single week, so be sure to reserve your spot. As a very special gift to our YouTube viewers, I want to announce something very special. This is my personal phone number, my personal number that I am putting out to you guys. If you have any questions about joining MIC or on the fence about joining our wonderful club, you can contact me now directly and personally, and I will get back to you.
I think there's a lot of bad connotation in scalping, and I want to get into that. All right, so let's, what do you mean it gets weird? Is it still good? Is it clear? Is it coming across clear? I don't want to start this before. Okay, right on. All right, let's get started. So today, we're going to talk about the key traders of the week. If we have time, I want to get to your trades. Last time we didn't really have time, but hoping that we get to do that. Cool, Brandon. Then we're going to talk about the market sentiment, as we do every single week. This week, there's quite a bit to talk about on that. And then we're going to get deep into scalping. And at the end of the webinar, we're going to finish the webinar with Q&A. And you can ask any question, and I'll try to get to it if it's pertaining to what we're talking about. Okay, so IMBI was a trader late Friday, I believe. And so fitting, I don't know how this works out, but like fitting, like this was open scalps, right? Like I was just scalping this out of the open, just using lines to do it, right? So there's a really good topic I want to talk about with this particular chart. There was a breakdown here at around 520. It was the support in the morning, and then it broke down, right? But you see how this line isn't that defined? Like you can tell that it broke down here. Like this is where it broke down, like where it tried to bounce from. It was around the 520 level. It tried to bounce and failed. Right, so this is where it tried to find support, but support was not there. But this one I was ready for, and I just didn't come back a third time. So anyway, I had this trade live. I recorded this trade live, and I saved this one so that I could show it here in the webinar. So I'm gonna full screen this. This was my IMBI trade live. So let's go. All right. Oh, that was fast. Let me turn it up. All right.
Got drilled on IMBI.
It's only 2 minutes.
Got drilled on IMBI. Got drilled on IMBI.
See how I wait for that stuff? I don't anticipate it. I wait to see if it's gonna fail or not first.
Got drilled on IMBI. Got drilled on IMBI. Got drilled on IMBI.
Yeah, there we go. Anyway, so that was open scalps, and not all scalps are going to be that fast or that hectic, but that's an example of an open scalp. Anyway, so this one was SNCA. This one was my most disappointing trade of the week, man. I thought about this one for a couple of days, and it's like it's just because I had a lot of size on this position, and I was just so excited for it, and it just didn't work out. But anyway, this was going to be so gold. Anyway, SNCA, and then I left, and then later it pushed. Anyway, so SNCA started as a first bounce trade. Now I was really excited about this one because this was a strong stock, right? We're up from 130 to like 260. We're already up 100% on the day. And like I talked about in the float rotation, on the float, like the float and market cap webinar last week, being up 100% does not mean we can't go to 200 or 300, right? NVAX, Alex, I think, traded this a lot better than me. Yeah, I think he constantly recycled this, and I was a little afraid of it. I was just, it had tanked so much, and I just like, I hated that it tanked so much at the open, but so I was just trying to get like, just like leftover trades on it. But anyway, this was a breakdown short. It broke 9 was a clear level pre-market. 9 was a clear level pre-market, and it broke down harshly. You can see this where it broke down like super harshly. And then so, that kind of got me excited, right? Like I'm like, okay, that's a big tank. Now I consider this a breakdown. So basically, oh man, I copied that. I don't know. That one didn't copy over. Crap.
Hey traders, T Bradley 90 here, Tosh Bradley from My Investing Club chat. Just wanted to reach out to you personally and show you how to contact myself personally if you have any questions about joining MIC, about MIC in general, or are on the fence and need a little bit of guidance before you join. For the first time ever, I have put out my personal number for you to reach me directly among my email at tosh@myinvestingclub.com and our Twitter and IG handles. Reach out today and get any information you need on what makes MIC so great and why you should join us today.